Hello everyone, we kindly ask you to like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you have a specific car you'd like our next video to be about, please let us know in the comments section. XPeng unveils the revolutionary G9 flagship smart SUV for global markets. XPeng has introduced its all-new G9 flagship smart SUV at the 19th Guangzhou International Automobile Exhibition, setting a new benchmark in intelligent, sustainable mobility. Designed from the ground up for both Chinese and international audiences, the G9 is packed with cutting-edge technology and meets the highest global standards for safety, environmental compliance, and performance. Key highlights: global appeal, developed for both domestic and international markets, adhering to dual C-NCAP and E-NCAP safety standards and EU WVTA certification. Eco-friendly design, built to meet EU 3R certification, with over 85% reusability and 95% recyclability, promoting sustainability. Unmatched power, equipped with the X-Power 3.0 supercharging system, delivering faster charging and performance upgrades. State-of-the-art systems, features the groundbreaking XEE A 3.0 architecture and the advanced XPILOT 4.0 driver assistance system. A new era of sophistication. With its bold yet minimalist design, the G9 SUV showcases XPeng's commitment to creating a smarter, safer, and greener driving experience. According to CEO and Chairman He Xiaopeng, the G9 represents a new level of sophistication and global vision in sustainable mobility. Co-founder Henry Jia emphasizes that the G9's development from scratch for international markets underscores XPeng's dedication to delivering its most advanced designs to customers worldwide. The G9 flagship SUV isn't just a car, it's a statement of innovation and sustainability, designed to revolutionize mobility on a global scale. Striking design for global appeal. The XPeng G9 sets a new standard in SUV aesthetics, blending minimalist sophistication with futuristic innovation to captivate both domestic and international audiences. Its design embodies the brand's distinctive style while meeting global expectations for smart, high-tech vehicles. A bold exterior with iconic features. At first glance, the G9's signature XPeng X robot face grabs attention, featuring sharp, iconic daytime running lights that now include striking new details. Integrating advanced technology seamlessly, the G9 embeds two LiDAR units directly into the headlights, creating a perfect balance of form and function. Proportions that redefine elegance. The high horizontal waistline running the length of the G9 follows the golden ratio, delivering a harmonious and dynamic profile. Its rear slanting A-pillars, short front overhang, long rear overhang, and 21-inch wheels culminate in an ensemble that radiates luxury and confidence. High-tech meets timeless style. From its low-drag wheels and 5G antenna to its advanced visual perception system, every detail of the G9 emphasizes cutting-edge technology. These modern elements are perfectly complemented by the vehicle's flowing, natural curves, creating a seamless fusion of innovation and elegance. The XPeng G9 isn't just a smart SUV, it's a design masterpiece that redefines what a global flagship vehicle should be. XPilot 4.0, advanced driver assistance for every journey. The XPeng G9 debuts the game-changing XPilot 4.0, the company's proprietary advanced driver assistance system. Designed to deliver full-scenario smart driving from startup to parking, XPilot 4.0 marks a significant step toward the future of fully autonomous driving. Powered by cutting-edge hardware, XPilot 4.0 features 508 TOPS ECU computing power, driven by dual NVIDIA Drive Orin Cs, an 8 million pixel front view binocular camera, and 2.9 million pixel side view cameras, covering all angles. An advanced, highly expandable domain controller for unparalleled perception capability. XEEA 3.0, intelligence redefined. The XEEA 3.0 electronic and electrical architecture is the backbone of the G9's superior intelligence. By deeply integrating hardware, software, and communication systems, it delivers simplicity, robust performance, and exceptional flexibility for upgrades. Key highlights include a centralized supercomputing platform paired with local control modules, layered software architecture for seamless updates to driver assistance, voice control, and smart features, gigabit Ethernet communications, enabling ultra-fast data transmission and enhancing smart cockpit functionality. Photo upgrades in just 30 minutes. The G9 is the first in China to implement gigabit Ethernet architecture, allowing firmware over-the-air photo upgrades in as little as 30 minutes without disrupting driving. After a restart, new features are fully activated, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free update experience. Smarter energy management. The G9's intelligent power distribution system ensures efficient energy use, adapting seamlessly to powered off, startup, and standby modes. This not only reduces energy consumption, but also enhances overall system efficiency and sustainability. With XPilot 4.0 and XEEA 3.0, the XPeng G9 delivers unmatched intelligence, safety, and innovation, setting a new standard for the future of mobility. XPower 3.0. Revolutionary powertrain technology for unmatched performance. The XPeng G9 introduces the groundbreaking XPower 3.0 powertrain system, setting a new benchmark in efficiency and charging speed. As China's first 800-volt high-voltage mass-production SiC platform, it redefines convenience by delivering an astonishing 200 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, with an energy efficiency rate exceeding 95%. Charging that keeps up with your life. To maximize the potential of the 800-volt SiC platform, XPeng has launched advanced 480-kilowatt high-voltage supercharging piles. These lightweight chargers feature 670 amp plus flow rate capacity for ultra-fast charging, IP67 protection and safety monitoring for a secure experience. This ensures a seamless, safe, and convenient charging process that fits into your fast-paced lifestyle. The largest supercharging network in China, XPeng's expansive charging network leads the market, with 550 branded supercharging stations nationwide, 1,734 free supercharging stations, providing accessibility and ease for drivers across China. With XPower 3.0, the XPeng G9 isn't just a vehicle, it's a technological powerhouse designed to enhance every journey, offering unparalleled charging speed, efficiency, and reliability.